Paper money, also known as Federal Reserve notes, is not just a daily medium of exchange, but a symbol of stability and economic strength in the United States. Issued by the Federal Reserve System, the nation's central banking authority, it plays a vital role in maintaining financial flow and meeting the transactional needs of millions of people. Every year, between 6 and 7 billion new notes are printed to replace those that are worn out, ensuring the durability and reliability of the monetary system. And welcome back to Nebula Engineering. Let's dive into the fascinating journey of these essential pieces of currency.
Preview.
Dollars are crafted from high-quality paper, meticulously engineered to ensure durability and uniqueness. This specific blend combines cotton fibers and linen, creating a material that gives U.S. currency its distinct texture and resilience, allowing it to withstand the rigors of daily use. Unlike ordinary paper made from wood pulp, the composition of dollar notes includes a precise mix of wood pulp and cotton fibers. The wood pulp provides essential strength and stability, while the cotton fibers enhance durability and the tactile qualities of the notes. During this stage of production, key security features, such as watermarks and embedded security threads, are seamlessly integrated into the paper. From this point onward, the unprinted note bands are kept under strict security measures to ensure the integrity of the currency. Once the special paper is prepared, the process of printing currency officially begins. This is a sophisticated and intricate series of steps designed to ensure the highest quality for every banknote, from design to the final product. The first stage involves preparing the graphic designs. Graphic designers and printing experts work together to create intricate details with pinpoint accuracy. The specialized paper is cut into individual sheets and fed into offset printing machines, where multicolored background layers are applied to both sides of the paper. Offset printing technology uses rubber blankets to transfer ink from printing plates to the paper, ensuring vibrant colors, sharp details, and perfect alignment. Next comes intaglio printing, a critical stage in the production process. Engraved plates with recessed designs are coated with ink. The surface of the plates is then wiped clean, leaving ink only in the recessed areas. As the paper passes through large presses, high pressure forces the ink deeply into the fibers, creating intricate patterns and the distinctive raised textures that characterize currency. Following the printing stages, the banknotes are numbered and enhanced with additional security features. Letterpress machines apply serial numbers and unique symbols, making each note one of a kind. Security elements like watermarks and embedded security threads are seamlessly integrated during these stages to ensure maximum protection against counterfeiting. Every step, from design to printing and inspection, is carried out under strict supervision. This meticulous process not only produces high-quality banknotes, but also reflects the craftsmanship, durability, and trustworthiness of the nation's financial system. The next step in the currency production process is inspection and finalization, where every note is carefully examined to ensure the highest quality. Professional inspectors meticulously check each note for defects such as tears, smudges, or printing errors. This process guarantees that only flawless notes are approved for circulation. After inspection, the sheets are precisely cut at the cutting station into standard-sized bills. The most common denomination, the $1 bill, measures 2.61 inches in width and 6.14 inches in length, compact yet highly valuable. Once finalized, the notes are bundled into packs of 100 for lower denominations and 50 for higher denominations, secured with durable paper or plastic straps. These bundles are organized into bricks and packed into specialized containers for safe storage and transportation. This inspection and finalization process not only ensures aesthetic and functional excellence, but also reflects the precision and reliability of the nation's financial system. Paper money plays a vital role in the U.S. economy, serving not only as a medium of exchange, but also as a symbol of financial stability. According to the Federal Reserve, as of the end of 2021, approximately 53.2 billion US dollar notes were in circulation, with a total value of $2.19 trillion. Among them, the $100 bill accounted for the largest share with 17.7 billion notes, followed by the $1 and $20 bills. Each year, the U.S. prints around 6.7 billion new notes, totaling over $200 billion, to meet demand and replace worn-out bills. This process ensures smooth currency circulation while maintaining public trust in the financial system. Paper money not only facilitates daily transactions, but also serves as a crucial tool for valuing assets, paying taxes, and enabling international trade, reinforcing the U.S. dollar's position as a dominant currency in the global financial market.